Hey everybody, I'm here to show you one of the easiest recipes that our whole family loves. It is barbecue chicken for sandwiches in the crock pot. All you need is about 2 pounds of chicken. You can always cut the recipe down. You need a cup of barbecue sauce, a 1/4 cup of Italian dressing, and a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and that is it. So what I'm going to do, I'll put my crock pot in. I sprayed it so it will not stick, and I'm going to lightly salt the chicken breast, just like that. Doesn't matter what order I put it in. I'm going to put a cup of barbecue sauce just to coat all the pieces. I like to use sweet brown sugar, just something that's going to have a little sweeter taste. If you like it spicier, you can do that too. Add a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and then a 1/4 cup of Italian. You can stir it around if you want. You really don't have to. If you have 2 pounds of chicken, you want to cook it for 4 hours on low. If not, 4 hours on high. And if you don't have enough, if you have less than that, I would say about 3.5 hours. So I'm going to pop this on high. I have about 2 pounds, so I'm going to do it 4 hours. And now we're going to walk away and come back in just a little bit. Okay, it's about 10 minutes left, and now I'm going to shred the chicken. I'm just taking 2 forks here, and I'm just going to split the chicken and let it drain in the juices. You can make it as big of chunks as you want. We always try to shred it small, and this way it will continue to simmer in the juice here. We're going to simmer for about 10 to 15 more minutes, and then we'll be ready to go. Okay, it's been 10 minutes and you can see that your shredded chicken is fabulous and ready to go. I usually serve this on just some type of bun here. This is just like a sourdough roll, any kind of roll that you want. It's just you kind of find your favorite one. Some people like to put coleslaw with it. You can check out my other recipes for macaroni and cheese, pasta salad, anything. Reheat's great. Fantastic. Everyone loves it. Just such an easy dish. So I hope you enjoy it.